Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, I'd like to discuss requirement number 10 of the HCBS Final Rule, accessibility. This requirement states a home must be easily accessible for all that live there. Let's return to Sunny Oaks and see how a game show, a cold breakfast, and oops, hold on for a second. Sunnytown Regional Center, this is Danny.
Hey, Danny, it's Nova over at Sunny Oaks.
Hey, Nova, I was just talking about you. What's up?
I need a little help. You see, I noticed Lorenzo struggling to make breakfast this morning.
Okay.
At first, I thought it was because everyone was in the kitchen at the same time. They were all going to a taping of Wheel of Jeopardy. But then I realized the renovations we did weren't enough, and I feel terrible. Lorenzo didn't want to make waves, but he did have a suggestion on how to fix it. He even made this sketch.
Ooh, this is smart. Great idea.
I'm glad you like it. Any suggestions on how I can do this?
I just might.
Can you do this?
Yep.
Can you do it before they come home?
Yep.
Do you only talk in one-syllable words?
Nope.
Wow, you work fast.
Yep.
I can't believe they gave us the at-home version of
Wheel of Jeopardy! Can we play?
Let's get cleaned up, make dinner, and then we can play and eat.
I'll catch up with you guys. I'm going to go get a head start on dinner. Oh, are you guys done playing?
What? No, we haven't even started.
We don't need these pieces until round 3. Wheel of Fire.
Hey, how was the taping? Is Pat Playback as handsome in person?
Yeah, but he's no Baskin Robbins.
So, Lorenzo, what do you think of the renovations?
Renovations? I was in such a hurry to play, I didn't even notice any.
Well then, follow me. I called the regional center after you left. Danny connected me with Country Oaks. They just remodeled their kitchen and had some extra supplies. So I called their contractor and he came over today.
You did this for me? Thank you, Nova.
You're welcome. So, should we join the others for game night?
You go ahead. I'll be right there. Hey, babe. Yeah, the taping was great. But you know what's even better? Nova remodeled the kitchen today. Lowered some of the counters. Moving here was the best decision I ever made.
Although Sunny Oaks was up to code, Nova realized it still wasn't functional for Lorenzo. So she took charge and reached out to me with some ideas. Accessibility is never optional. Now, this got solved in a day, because, well, it's a cartoon. But in the real world, you as service providers are responsible for making sure homes are accessible. When there's a challenge, collaboration between service providers, the people you support, and the regional center can create positive change. Remember, big, impactful change can start with small conversations. As a service provider, being person-centered means listening to the people you support and acting upon what you hear.